Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download Fortnite on mobile. All right, let's begin. To play Fortnite on your phone, start by opening your internet browser. Once it's open, click on the search bar icon at the top of your mobile screen. Here, type in epicgames.com and give it a go. The main website of Epic Games will now appear on your screen. On the Epic Games website, look for the option to install. Then scroll down a little bit and look for the option to install on iPhone or Android. To install it on your iPhone, ensure your iOS is updated to the latest version. If it's not updated, do that first. But for Android, tap on the option to install. Once you click it, the Epic Store APK will be installed on your mobile device. Simply open the APK and install it onto your device. Next, tap on Open. Here, look for Fortnite and then tap on it to install the app on your mobile device. After installation, you can enjoy playing Fortnite. So that's basically how you can download Fortnite on mobile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.